Quickie family. Oh my gosh, I've missed y'all so much. And I have to say, I am so sorry that I've been away so long. Life has definitely gotten very busy for me and my family over the past 5 or 6 months now. And many of you already know that. You know that I've started, well, obviously I have another YouTube channel, which is still growing. It's still a little baby, and you know, it is what it is, but I'm reselling now, and it takes up so much of my time, besides working a full-time job and maintaining a house and a family. So yeah, there's a lot on my plate, y'all, and I have not had the time to focus on creating and doing fun things like I used to. So please forgive me that I've been away so long. I've definitely made plans that 2022 is going to be much better than 2021. And I'm going to bring more content out for you guys, hopefully better content. This video that you're going to see today is a lot shorter than what I normally put out. And it is kind of a little bit different style than I normally do. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Please let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Please make sure to hit that like button. If you're new here, if you just so happen to stumble on my channel, thank you for stopping by. This is not my normal introduction here. It has been, like I said, quite a few months since I've posted any new content, and I am just so sorry about that, you guys. I miss y'all. I really do. So I hope that you guys stick with me on this and just know that I am still here. I'm still going to create hopefully good things that you guys enjoy, and I love you all dearly. So until next time, y'all, thank you so much for being here. Enjoy the video. So for my first DIY, I am going to flip these amber colored bottles that I picked up from Goodwill. Now, I absolutely loved the amber glass to them, but I was not a big fan of the coloration of the tray that they were in or their tops. So we are going to fix that. We are going to take my favorite color, Plaster from Waverly Chalk Paint, and we are going to give this tray a couple of coats. So this is during the process of being painted, but it does look a lot better once it's completely finished. And what I don't show here is that I did take some of that antiquing wax and went along at the edges just to kind of dirty it up. Again, something else that I really enjoy doing. And I did this to both the tray and to all of the lids for these jars. Next up, I'm just going to take some burlap ribbon that I have on hand, and I'm going to measure it out and cut it into 5 strips. Now these 5 strips we're going to use to wrap around the necks of all of our jars here. Now I'm just going to take some of these paper flower picks and different odds and ends, and we're going to put them in the jars. I feel like these are kind of little apothecary type jars, but we're just going to use it for shabby chic crafty ornaments and decals and stuff that we use every day. So pearls and lace and all those really pretty little items that we just absolutely love, that's what we're going to use for these jars. I really didn't know what else to do with this tray. Not exactly sure if I'm going to keep the tray. Honestly, I may just keep the jars. But for a $2 flip that I got from something, you know, at Goodwill, I think it's cute. I think anybody can do this with something that they find, you know, at a thrift store. Just add your own little flair to it, and it comes out awesome. So next I'm just going to use this canvas sign from Dollar Tree, I believe, and we're going to flip it over. I've also got these wooden, they look like paint stir sticks, but they're actually for your garden. They're little stakes for your garden. And we're going to cut these down simply by using scissors to fit inside the canvas itself. Once it's done, it's going to give you kind of like that barn wood wall look. Y'all know what the look I'm going for here. Next, I'm going to take a couple of doilies. Now you can use old doilies, you can use new doilies, whatever you prefer, but I'm going to take one that will fit inside this piece, as well as a second one that I can layer on top. With these, I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue to keep the doilies down. If you don't want to use something that's old, definitely purchase newer doilies so you don't feel so bad. Then I'm also going to take those stakes again, trim them down so I can make a frame on my canvas. Glue that straight down, and then take some of that antiquing wax and just tone it up a little bit, make it a little bit darker. When it's all said and done, I decided it needed a little bit more, so I took some more of these really awesome, beautiful paper flowers, and I just hot glued those to the corners of this particular wall decor piece. I think it's very quaint. It's probably my favorite of the two DIYs that I did today, but I wanted it to be very simple and easy that anybody can do, whether it be flipping something that they found at a thrift store or using simple, easy materials that you can pick up from your local Dollar Tree. Again, guys, if you are still here, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, today's video was kind of short, but I'm gonna have to do that, I think, with a lot of my videos from here on out, just because I don't have enough time. Y'all, there's just not enough time in the day to do everything that I want to do, and I am one of those people that have to be busy all the time, so it's my own fault, I know. But for those of you that are still here, that have watched this and that have stuck around with me all this time, I love you guys again so much, and thank you again for watching. So until next time, y'all, take care, stay safe, and I love you.